Hello students, a warm welcome to semester 3 of SYBCom. I welcome you all to the special elective course of Cost and Works Accounting. Students, this is a new subject for you. Till now you have learned financial accounting, bookkeeping and accountancy and corporate accounting. The title of this subject is Cost and Works Accounting, so you might feel that again financial accounting will be repeated, cost accounting or corporate accounting will be repeated. But no, this subject has nothing to do with all those financial accounting and their concepts. And even this subject has nothing to do with mathematics and statistics. Cost and works accounting we are supposed to learn in 3 parts. At SYBCom level we have paper 1. And at TY BCom level, you have paper 2 and paper 3. Basically, in semester 3, you will be studying Cost and Works Accounting paper 1. And the title of the paper is Basics of Cost Accounting. As the title suggests, you are now clear that we are going to study only the basics of cost accounting in this semester. Now, what is the objective of this course? The basic objective is to understand the various elements of cost and the basic concepts of cost. We have 4 units in this semester. First unit is Basics of Cost Accounting. Second is Elements of Cost. Third is Cost Sheet. And fourth is Purchase Procedure. The very first topic, Basics of Cost Accounting, you will be learning the concept of cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy, and it will help you to trace the cost to the cost centers and cost units. As the subject is very new to you, you need to understand why cost accounting, why one should learn cost accounting. See, what you have learned in financial accounting is up till now, whatever cost is incurred, that has to be recorded in the books. And that recording is financial accounting. But in cost accounting, you have to use a special technique. Why this cost has to be recorded? How you can reduce this cost? And reducing the cost also means increasing the profitability of the concern. So the basic objective of cost accounting is to make students identify the role of cost accountant in an organization. I hope you will all enjoy this subject. In first semester, as I told you, we have 4 units, and again in semester 4 we will be learning the 4 units. In all, in this academic year, we will learn 8 units, and now these 8 units will help you to understand the basics of cost accounting. The very first unit, Basics of Cost Accounting, is a theoretical part where limitations of financial costing, origin, objectives, advantages, limitations, distinction between financial accounting and cost accounting, whereas role of cost accountant, that has to be learned. In the second unit, that is Elements of Cost and Cost Sheet, you will again come across some numerical problems. As this topic, as the subject will go ahead, you will come across some practical problems. And that practical problems are not related with financial accounting. They have nothing to do with what is debit, what is credit. You need not prepare trial balance, various key accounts, balance sheets or profit and loss account. Cost accounting, you have to prepare only one statement, which is known as cost sheet. This cost sheet is going to make you understand what is the profit of the organization, and the role of cost accountant is how much should be the profit of a particular product for a particular industry. In the second topic, we will be learning about material, labor and expenses. Now for manufacturing a particular thing, we require a material. Only material is not necessary, we also require labor, and when material and labor come together, we are having some expenses, and these expenses are to be recorded. Now when we record these expenses, we are supposed to record this in a cost sheet under various heads. and these various heads are known as classification of cost. Now when we classify this cost, how are you going to classify it? What are the principles of classification? What are the rules of classification that needs to be understood? So I once again welcome you to this subject and request you to go through the books of cost accounting. Thank you.